So one of the questions I saw online is, will car insurance pay for repairs? And my first thought was, yes, they will pay for repairs. But then I realized that this wasn't that type of question that they're asking. And the answer is actually no. Car insurance will not pay for repairs. So there's two parts to this. Let's break it up into two pieces. The first piece is, will they pay for repairs in a covered loss? Yes, they will, up to, typically, it's up to the adjuster, but typically up to 70% of the value of your car. So if you have comprehensive and collision, or just collision, and you're in an accident and it's a covered loss, then absolutely, they're gonna pay for the repairs no matter what the cost is until it hits about 70% of the value of your car, at which point they're gonna total out the car and just give you a check to buy another car. Does that pay for my loan? I don't know, that's up to you, and that's where gap insurance comes in. There's a link to a video if you want to learn about gap insurance. The other piece, or the second part to that, is will they pay for regular repairs? So if your car breaks down for any reason, 100% no. I don't know any insurance company, and maybe you do, if you do, leave it in the description below, that will give you a warranty. That's what we're talking about there. Is there some sort of guarantee that the engine isn't going to break on you in the next 5 years? As far as my knowledge goes, there's not a way to add a warranty into your car insurance. So if you're driving down the road and you hit a pothole, that's one thing. That's usually a covered repair because it was a situation that happened while you were driving, right? There was some sort of collision. Versus you were driving down the road and the piston broke. Now that's not going to be something that's covered because you didn't have an accident. There wasn't a reason for that to be claimed on your insurance, so they are not going to cover that. Now, there are some small things that might give you a little extra benefit to that. Is if you have any type of towing or road service, if you're with my company, you probably have a AAA membership because it's pretty much the same price you have to pay up front, but it covers you, not the car. So if I'm in my friend's car and I'm down the road, different video, right? Typically they'll tell you to the repair shop, but the repair itself is on you. You have to pay for that or have some sort of extended warranty that will cover that situation. So the answer is no, it will not pay for repairs. There is kind of a gray area to that, so let's just say the piston blew out while you were driving down the road and then you had an accident. That would probably be covered. One, because there's not gonna be a determination. Insurance doesn't ask what caused the accident, they asked who caused the accident, right? My car blew up, so it wasn't my fault. There's no one else to blame. I have to be at fault because I was the only driver, right? I hit a pole. In that situation, that would be claimed on my insurance as an at-fault accident, or I'll have to explain how the piston blew up, and then that's not covered at all because then it was a negligence thing. I didn't maintain the car enough, the piston blew up, and then I hit a pole. They might give me both an at-fault accident and say it's not covered. Kind of one of those gray areas. So more often than not, if that situation happens, you're probably going to take the claim, just file it. Nobody's going to ask what happened because your mechanic's not going to tell you. You're not going to ask. Your insurance isn't going to ask. Kind of one of those things where they're like, we just don't want to know. We're just going to fix it. In which case you kind of lucked out. You'll never know what happened, but it did. Anyways, guys, definitely give me a thumbs up on the video. Let me know if you liked it. If you didn't like it, I would love to get your opinion on what your thoughts are on that situation. Do you think insurance companies should add a coverage for a warranty? And the biggest question is if they do you think it's going to be value for price? Or do you think a warranty company is going to do a lot better? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one.